Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to generate Excel formulas using the ChatGPT. So let's start this my Excel and here you can see I have data, product, price, quantity, discount and total. So here I'm going to calculate the total amount of this product. Simply select the data. I just select here and use here Control C to copy this data. Then go to the ChatGPT. So I open here my ChatGPT and paste here the data. Okay. So I just add here the prompt. Okay. Give me Excel formula to calculate revenue. Okay, that's it. Press the enter, and here you see your formula is here price into quantity into the discount percentage. Okay, here you can see the formula B2 into C2 into the discount slash 100. Okay, and here also showing the formula with the amount also showing. Okay, the calculate amount also showing. So I just copy this formula and go to the Excel and paste here. Okay, I use here the F2 to open this formula. Here the B2 is selected, the price, so I enter here the 3. Okay, 3, row number 3. Okay, and then press the enter and that's it. Now just drag below and paste your formula below the cell. So that's it. So this is the way you can easily generate the formula from ChatGPT. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.